Hey beauty people, welcome back to this video. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn on Apple Intelligence on your Mac Mini M4. So first go to system settings, and then on the left panel here you will see Apple Intelligence. If you don't see this Apple Intelligence option, then you have to update. If you see any update available, then just update. After that you will see the Apple Intelligence option here. So just click on Apple Intelligence, and then on the right side here you will see Apple Intelligence. Just click on turn on, and now it will be downloading the required settings. So currently it's 0%, and then here you see Siri request. Just click on turn on and then click on enable, and then on the other things you can customize as you want. And that's how you can turn on Apple Intelligence on your Mac Mini M4. Hope that this video helped you out. If you found this helpful, please consider to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.